Start. You should just record stuff.
You look like you're hungry.
Can you repeat again?
Watch. Dan. Tonto. Oh man.
This is us high off of pop.
Well, see, I got the idea by smoking a lot of pot. Then I slid across the linoleum floor to get some Captain Crunch.
This is pop, not pot.
Oh.
Pop, not pot. This is our moronic friend. Say hi. Look.
You must all bow down to my microphone burritos.
Burrito! Burrito!
Burrito.
Give me the burrito!
Ah.
Burrito!
See, I told you he was crazy. You didn't believe me, but no.
Time for
Burrito!
See? Let's just watch this animal as he feeds. Not that one, the other one. This is it. What an eccentric performance.
Watch this, watch. I can do something really cool.
Alright, let's watch.
Move feet.
Well.
Don't press the chip.
Sorry, we just have to get situated. Oh my god, it's a feat of strength. Can you do that for us one more time?
Ha!
I have a magic trick.
Remember,
I'm gonna
magic trick too. All I need is a saw and Matt's arm.
My arm!
Audience, do you have a saw? No, I didn't think so. I mean, it's just, yeah, whatever. Shut up!
If you have a picture of a saw, send it over the internet too.
Okay. Now, when you're about to say, you can go home and say, man, we saw this guy, he was so funny looking.
Or an search performance.
Okay.
Just watch it again.
Hold on. Matt, I need you to record because I kind of need Arden for this.
So red button the same, start, stop.
No, it's already starting. It's still recording. So just hold it to us, okay?
Okay.
Can you see us?
Yep.
Okay, Arden, kind of stand right there. Can you still see us?
Burrito!
I'll take that as a yes. Arden, hit me! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh, right, Michael Jackson! Baby, slow down here! It's not good! Burrito! Help me! Burrito! Burrito! Run, my burrito!
In case you didn't hear that, that's a burrito.
I'm invented skipping! Oh god!
Burrito.
That's all for now.
Goodbye.